I will talk about how can you find transaction history on your Octa app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here, you keep going down here, then you click here on section here, history. So you just click on it here. So then here it's going to show for you here all transaction history. Can you find it in this list here? Like you see here, I have nothing here, but if you have it, you will find here your transaction history on your Okta app. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.